When every second counts and power disruption isn't an option, the E-Tank Power Strip stands as your ultimate gaming companion. Engineered for elite setups and demanding devices, this 200-watt powerhouse charges up to 7 gadgets at once without losing speed or efficiency. Its advanced PD 3.1 fast-charging technology built on GaN architecture delivers reliable high-speed energy transfer, powering laptops, tablets, smartphones, and gaming gear in sync. When deep muscle fatigue sets in after long hours on your feet or relentless workouts, you need more than a gentle touch. You need results. The OYO Total Body Massage delivers exactly that. Designed with a 2-in-1 system, it merges lateral vibration and percussion therapy for powerful relief. Whether you're battling tension in your lower back, stiffness in your shoulders, or soreness in your legs, this massager gets to the root of the issue with precision. The innovative vibrating belt moves side to side, penetrating tight muscle fibers with rhythmic power. Designed for maximum efficiency in a minimal form, the Gravity Magriel Lite merges durability with everyday utility. Whether you're navigating the outdoors, managing daily commutes, or working hands-on, this retractable reel offers just the right balance of strength and function without weighing you down. Weighing just 5.2 ounces, it remains incredibly light while handling loads up to the same amount, ideal for keys, tools, or gadgets. Step into a new era of mobile content creation with UView, where simplicity meets pro-level performance. Designed for modern storytellers who rely on their smartphones, UView upgrades your filming game without the need for bulky equipment or overpriced gear. From crisp audio to dynamic lighting and steady framing, every detail is optimized to help your phone deliver content that commands attention. Throughout this video, you'll get an inside look at how UView transforms your mobile setup into a compact powerhouse. A tidy interior speaks volumes, and this innovative cleaning gel ensures every detail is spotless. Designed for those who take pride in a well-kept space, the Puladiki car cleaning gel brings precision cleaning to hard-to-reach corners. Whether it's the air vents, steering wheel seams, dashboard edges, or cup holders. It's not just for the car either. This versatile gel doubles as a dust eliminator for electronics, keyboards, and remotes around the house or office. Grating has finally caught up with convenience. With a single touch, this handheld cheese grater redefines how you prep. Engineered for quick access and cleanup, this innovative tool eliminates the need for pre-washing and fits easily into your fridge after use. Whether you're layering Parmesan over pasta or shredding cheddar for tacos, it delivers fine, uniform results straight from your hand. No countertop mess, no wasted time. The grater's ergonomic grip and compact body give you total control over every motion. The DJI Mic 2 redefines wireless audio with cutting-edge features tailored for creators seeking reliable, high-quality sound. Equipped with intelligent noise cancellation, this microphone ensures crystal-clear recordings even in the most challenging environments. The advanced 32-bit float internal recording allows for flawless sound capture, providing flexibility in post-production with minimal risk of clipping. Its impressive 820-foot range ensures versatility, offering plenty of freedom for both indoor and outdoor shoots. The FLIR MR277 is a powerful all-in-one building inspection tool designed to enhance your workflow with its high-resolution thermal imaging, moisture detection, and advanced measurement capabilities. This system is perfect for efficiently locating and documenting issues like moisture, air leaks, and building envelope problems, making it essential for any professional involved in building inspections or maintenance. The MR277 combines multiple measuring modes, allowing you to scan large areas with its 160 by 120 thermal sensor. Take full command of your digital workspace with FlexBar, a precision tool engineered for creators, gamers, and streamers alike. Designed to adapt to your unique workflow, this touch bar solution brings next-level customization and efficiency to both Windows and Mac environments. Whether you're editing video, managing live streams, or gaming at full throttle, FlexBar keeps your most used commands within reach. Literally. With its compact footprint under 7 inches wide, FlexBar fits comfortably on any desk, while offering a highly responsive interface that reacts in milliseconds. Crush limits and rebuild strength from your living room with the amzn 3000, your smart, all-in-one training system that transforms how you train. Built for serious performance, this powerhouse delivers up to 400 pounds of intelligent, adjustable resistance with pinpoint accuracy. Over 60 guided workouts led by expert trainers keep your routines fresh, whether you're sculpting muscle, torching fat, or building endurance. Its sleek profile fits tight spaces without sacrificing function. Touchscreen control and app connectivity ensure you're always dialed in, tracking progress and pushing boundaries. Introducing the Mesmo Globe Liquid, an extraordinary desk toy designed to captivate the mind and elevate your workspace. With its mesmerizing kinetic movements and smooth, continuous flow, the Mesmo Globe brings a dynamic touch of artistry to your environment. It's not just a toy, it's a tool that helps enhance focus, spark creativity, and reset your mental state. Crafted with precision, the liquid motion creates a soothing optical illusion that draws the eye and calms the mind. The Asil World First 4K Smart Portable Quad Monitor redefines the limits of portable display technology, offering an unmatched visual experience. This innovative monitor features a unique 4-screen display, delivering 4 separate screens in one compact unit. Each screen boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring crystal-clear images and vibrant colors for a truly immersive viewing experience. Designed for ultimate convenience, the Asil monitor is equipped with 4 smart functional buttons, allowing users to easily control each screen's settings. Built for utility and weekend escapes, this collapsible wagon from Black + Decker blends strength with mobility in a design made for real-world demands. Measuring 31.1 inches long, 21.2 inches wide, and 22.1 inches deep, it offers a generous cargo space without being bulky. Capable of hauling up to 176 pounds of gear, it's ideal for beach days, tailgating setups, or hauling tools around the yard. The wagon's heavy-duty all-terrain wheels ensure a steady ride over sand, gravel, or uneven paths. The Spire Studio's 2nd generation offers impressive advancements for music creators seeking reliable and high-quality recording capabilities. With an extended 8+ hours of recording time, this device ensures you have the flexibility to capture long sessions without interruptions. It boasts enhanced battery performance, allowing for sustained use during your creative processes. Equipped with upgraded preamps, the Spire Studio delivers clearer sound with better interference rejection, enabling higher volume levels and reduced distortion for a more professional output. The 1X Player G1 stands out as a versatile, high-performance handheld console, designed to meet the demands of both gamers and professionals. Offering an unparalleled balance between power and portability, this device excels in delivering seamless gaming and productivity experiences. Its compact form factor ensures effortless use for long periods, whether you're immersed in intense gaming sessions or tackling work tasks. Step into a new era of desktop design with the Machinike KT84 Retro-style keyboard, built for those who demand performance and visual artistry. Featuring a fully customizable LED matrix, this keyboard lets you program dynamic lighting effects that make every keystroke a visual experience. The integrated TFT HD multimedia screen enhances functionality, offering real-time information like battery life, profiles, and animations in sharp, colorful detail. Introducing the future of connectivity, the Super Cable 2.0, engineered to exceed every expectation. Designed to deliver lightning-fast speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second and handle power demands of up to 240 watts, this cable is a true game changer. Whether you're powering multiple 8K displays or transferring massive amounts of data, the Super Cable 2.0 ensures seamless performance every time. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. The ChargeUni wireless fast charger is an innovative solution for powering multiple devices simultaneously. Designed with convenience in mind, this charger allows you to charge up to 3 devices at once, making it ideal for households or offices with various smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds. Its Qi 2 compatibility ensures a fast and efficient charging experience for both Apple and Samsung devices, supporting a wide range of models. Elevate your content creation with UView, a game-changing 4-in-1 tool that turns your smartphone into a professional-grade studio. This versatile device empowers you to capture breathtaking video and perfectly framed shots, all while offering wireless charging and real-time viewing capabilities. Whether you're shooting on the go or setting up for a more elaborate shoot, UView ensures your content is always top-notch. From sketch to structure, concept to creation, Huneet transforms your desk into a production hub. Engineered for precision and built for imagination, this modular robot arm is more than just a tool. It's a full-scale creative companion. With an integrated AI camera, Huneet sees the world like you do, recognizing faces, objects, and patterns with sharp detail, giving your projects intelligent depth. In the evolution of wearable technology, Techno redefines the standard with its AI Glasses series, crafted to blend intelligence with precision. Introducing the Techno AI Glasses and Techno AI Glasses Pro, this pioneering lineup offers more than just smart eyewear. At its core is an industry-leading 50-megapixel smartphone-grade imaging system, capturing ultra-detailed visuals in real time, perfect for dynamic urban landscapes or professional documentation. Let nostalgia nudge you out of bed with the Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo, where the morning grind meets classic gameplay. This interactive alarm clock transforms your wake-up routine using iconic scenes, music, and characters from beloved Nintendo titles. Whether it's the soft rustle of Hyrule's wind or the jingling coins of the Mushroom Kingdom, Alarmo crafts a dynamic start to your day that feels more like play than obligation. Select your favorite Nintendo title, set a scene, choose a wake-up time, and let Alarmo bring it to life. Imagine a world where perfect nails are no longer a luxury reserved for salon visits. With this innovative device, you can achieve flawless nails without ever leaving home. It's not science fiction, it's real, and it's called Nimble. This revolutionary tool is the first of its kind, designed to effortlessly paint and dry your nails in just 10 minutes. Nimble uses advanced technology to scan the shape and size of each nail, ensuring the perfect amount of polish is applied every time. The MirrorCam web camera is a sleek and efficient camera designed to enhance your digital setup without unnecessary complications. Compact yet powerful, it offers full HD 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, providing clear and crisp visuals with a flexible refresh rate of 50 Hz. which can be adjusted to 60 Hz if needed. This makes it suitable for video calls, streaming, or recording, ensuring you always look your best. Elevate your golf game with the cutting-edge Aiming View Golf Aim Finder, designed to enhance your swing accuracy and precision. This device, powered by an ultralight 3D motion sensor, easily plugs into your golf club, providing real-time feedback on your swing mechanics. With its intuitive design, Aiming View tracks the optimal angle and trajectory, giving you the insights needed to improve every shot. Beneath the waves, precision and power meet in the form of a next-generation water scooter designed for deep exploration and high-speed aquatic travel. The Subblue Vapor doesn't just move through water, it commands it, delivering a top speed of 6.2 miles per hour with selectable modes at 3.7, 5, and 6.2 miles per hour. Built with ALO 2.0 jet propulsion, it generates a commanding 46.3 pounds of thrust using a high-efficiency 6-blade impeller and 12-blade guide vane to ensure continuous torque and stability even in strong currents. Maximize your laptop's capabilities with the ThunderBoost eGPU dock, a powerful and sleek solution for enhanced graphics and performance. Tailored for gamers, content creators, and professionals, it seamlessly integrates with your setup to boost processing power and visual performance. Featuring Thunderbolt 5 technology, the ThunderBoost ensures fast data transfer, while NVIDIA RTX support elevates graphics rendering for a smooth, lag-free experience. When the weather turns brutal and the terrain gets unforgiving, you don't adapt, you outmatch it. Built for those who move with intent, the Dark Heat 2.0 tactical heated outerwear is engineered with a purpose-driven philosophy. Every stitch counts, every feature earns its place. Designed using 4-way stretch waterproof fabric and reinforced with a high neck collar, this all-season tactical jacket offers a blend of rugged performance and urban precision. The tailored fit ensures clean lines without sacrificing mobility, while the modular design integrates seamlessly with your lifestyle. For creative professionals in the culinary arts, precision and personalization elevate presentation. The EvaBot Food Print Pen merges compact portability with cutting-edge technology, empowering chefs, bakers, and baristas to bring edible art to life on cookies, cakes, macarons, and even foamy beverages. Whether branding bar drinks with QR codes or topping cupcakes with text, this handheld printer enables consistent results across curved surfaces thanks to its built-in roller sensor. The LilyGo T-Keyboard S3 is a versatile and compact development board that brings an impressive array of features tailored for developers and enthusiasts. With 4 magnetic connectors featuring quick connects, it ensures seamless connectivity and easy integration with various modules. This flexibility is enhanced by 5 screens, with the option to replace the 5th screen position with a rotary encoder for expanded control. Health technology takes a bold step forward with a device that doesn't just track, it transforms. The Ringcon Gen 2 Smart Ring is more than a fitness tracker. It's a health companion built on precision, comfort, and innovation.